guys, so first without a partner and then with the partner. So Magdalena is doing the steps of the follower and I'm doing the steps of the leader. We are tapping on 8 and on 1 we go to the front on 1 and we rotate our body. Now on 2 we go to the front as well in 2, closing, and we rotate our body to be looking to you guys in this case. And on 3 we go back, rotating, and we tap. From here we repeat in 5, 6, 7, 8. From this point of view, in 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And now with the partner, make sure to have connection and tension in your arms. And in this case, we are only grabbing with the left arm and the right one. On 8, now we go and do the steps in 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, in this case, we are doing a circular motion with the arm, and we are not staying looking at each other like this and only moving the arm, but we are rotating our body. And also in 3, we change the hand, because now we are rotating to the other side. And on 7, we rotate and we change the hand again.
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. Look around, since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone.
So this one's the open close. It's also pretty easy, guys. So we start here tapping, and we first do a tap to open, a tap to close, and now we do our step in 3 and tap. And from here we go tap, close, step, and tap. So from the back we go in 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. So with the partner, we also have tension in our hand, and in this case, on 1, it's when we have this connection here, and this one is free, because here we rotate our body in the direction of our foot in 1, 2, 3, tap, and rotate back, and 7, 8. In this case, make sure to as well change the hands in 3 and in 7, like 1, 2, change the hand, and 5, 6, and change the hand.
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. Look around, since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me.
So let's go with the lateral step. So we are in 8, and on 1 we open and change our weight. Then on 2 we come back with the weight. On 3 we close, and then we tap. And now from here we go in the other direction, in open, back, close, and tap. So from this point of view, in 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. And guys, for all of these footworks, you can do different types of hip movement. You don't have to stick only with the sensual moves. If you want a video of how to do the different hip movements in bachata, make sure to check this one out. And now with a couple, you can do the lateral basic step in the open position or also in the closed position. For example, here in 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Or also you can do it here in the social position, for example, in 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8.
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. Look around, since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge.
The next one is the bass step, and for this one we do the normal basic steps but with the timing of the bass, which is in 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 7, 8, and this looks something like 1 and 3, 4 and 5 and 7, 8. And the bass from this point of view in 1 and 3, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. If you want to lead this one with a couple, you also need to have very good connection and very good tension here. And from here we go in 1 and 3, tap, and 5 and 7, 8.
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. Since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me.
And this next one is the guitar step, and in this case we are dancing with the guitar. And the guitar goes like 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So we are here tapping on 8. First we do our step in 1, then and we close here and change the weight fast in 2. And now we finish the basic in 3, tap. We repeat this one in 5 and 6, 7, 8. So from this point of view, in 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And guys, here as a tip, make sure to do small steps because otherwise you're gonna feel like you don't have enough time to do it. Okay guys, and now with a couple, in this case there are many different variations, but let's start with this one where we only have connection with one arm, one hand, and from here we are a little bit rotated to where we are doing our step. And small we go in 1 and 2, 3, 4. And in 3, 4, make sure to change the hand again to the other side because now we rotate our body to the other side and we continue in 5 and 6, 7, 8. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and also comment down below which of these moves was your favorite. If you like this video, you're going to love these other combinations and moves. We hope to see you the next time. Bye.